You know, we are all looking for YMD, isn't it? Weapon of mass destruction. And I think that is in Bangladesh, and that is arsenic.
The unintended consequences of installing tube wells and accessing groundwater is arsenic poisoning. There are tens of millions of people who are arsenic affected or potentially arsenic affected throughout the Gangetic regions.
Nearly 85 million people at risk.
Those that get skin lesions may be at higher risk than others, but you don't have to get skin lesions, but they yet may die from an arsenic-caused cancer.
And arsenic is a multi-organ disease. It doesn't only skin, it affects everything in the body.
Involve villagers and give them the responsibility.
The cure exists. It's getting clean, safe water, and how do we do it?